Lily, are you okay?
Mommy, my head hurts.
Oh no, come here, let me check. You feel a little warm, sweetheart.
My tummy hurts too.
Okay, I think we need to see the doctor.
What is a doctor, Mommy?
A doctor is a person who helps you feel better.
Does it hurt to see a doctor?
No, Lily. The doctor is very kind.
Can Peanut come too?
Of course, Peanut always comes with us. Mark, Lily has a headache and a fever.
Should we call the doctor?
I already called. We have an appointment at 10.
Jack, Lily is not feeling well today.
Is she sick, Dad?
A little bit. We are going to the doctor.
I am coming too. Lily needs her brother.
That is very kind of you, Jack. Family stays together, Dad.
Lily, we are going to the doctor today.
I am a little scared, Jack.
Do not worry. I will be right there.
Okay, everyone, let us go to the doctor.
Lily, do you have Peanut?
Yes, Peanut is ready. He is also a little sick. Jack, what do doctors do?
They check your body to see what is wrong.
What if something is very wrong?
The clinic is 10 minutes away, Lily.
Okay, Daddy, I am tired.
Rest your eyes, sweetheart. We are almost there.
Lily, have you been to a doctor before?
No, this is my first time.
It is okay. The doctor is very nice.
Jack, what happens at the doctor?
He looks at your eyes and your throat.
Does he look at Peanut too?
I think the doctor only looks at people.
Peanut has a sore ear, his left one.
Tell the doctor. He will check Peanut too.
I hope it is nothing serious.
It is probably just a cold, Sarah.
You are right. I always worry too much.
Lily is strong. She will be fine.
Yes, she is very strong.
She gets that from her mother. There is the clinic, everyone.
It looks very clean and white. Yes, clean means safe, Lily.
Are you ready, sweetheart?
I think so. Peanut says yes.
Then let us go inside together.
Welcome to the clinic, family.
It smells very clean inside.
That is what clinics smell like, Lily.
Hello, we have an appointment at 10. Good morning. What is the patient's name? Lily Rivers. She is 6 years old. Yes, I have Lily Rivers here at 10 o'clock. That is correct. Thank you. Please take a seat. The doctor will be right with you. Hello there. You must be Lily.
Yes.
And this is Peanut.
Hello, Peanut.
Are you here for a checkup too?
His left ear hurts a little bit.
I will let Dr. Miller know about that.
Thank you. Peanut is grateful. Mommy, there are fish in that tank.
Yes, they are here to help you feel calm.
It is working. The fish are very relaxing.
Lily, look at these pictures of animals.
There is an elephant, Jack.
See, the doctor's office is not so bad.
Daddy, how long do we wait?
Not long. Maybe 10 minutes, Lily.
10 minutes is okay. I can wait 10 minutes.
She seems less nervous now.
Jack helped her. He is a good brother.
He really is. Lily Rivers, the doctor is ready for you.
Okay, I am ready too.
Please follow me. You can bring Peanut.
Hello, Lily. My name is Dr. Miller.
Hello, Dr. Miller. I am Lily.
I am very happy to meet you today. And who is this little friend?
She has a headache and a small fever.
How long has she had these symptoms?
Since this morning, about 3 hours.
Lily, can you sit up straight for me?
Like this, Dr. Miller?
Perfect. Exactly like that. Very good. I am going to listen to your breathing now.
What does my breathing sound like?
It sounds very healthy. Very good.
What is that thing called?
It is called a stethoscope.
Stethoscope. That is a very long word.
Can you open your mouth wide for me? Good girl. Your throat looks fine. Now let me check your ears, Lily.
The left ear. That one hurts a little.
I see. Yes, it is a little red inside.
Now can you check Peanut's ear, please?
Of course. Let me see. Yes, his ear is fine.
Oh, good. Peanut is very relieved.
Lily has a small ear infection and a light fever.
Is it serious, doctor?
No, it is very common in children her age. I will give her some medicine for the ear.
How many times a day?
2 times a day, morning and night. Lily, you need to drink a lot of water.
How much water?
8 glasses every day. Can you do that? Doctor, Can Jack have a checkup too? Of course. It is always good to check. He has not had a checkup in a while. Hello, Jack. How are you feeling today?
I feel great, Dr. Miller. I am very healthy.
Let us check that. Sit up straight, please. Take a deep breath in for me, Jack.
Like this?
Perfect. Now breathe out slowly. Can you follow this light with your eyes?
Left, right, up, down. Easy.
Your eyes are excellent, Jack. Open your mouth wide, please. I already know how to do this. Good. Your throat is perfectly healthy. Now I will check your reflexes.
What are reflexes?
They are automatic movements your body makes.
I like moved by itself.
I did not do that. That is your reflex, buddy.
My body is very smart without me.
Let us check your height, Jack.
I grew 3 centimeters this year.
You are right. You are getting very tall.
Did you hear that, Dad? I grew 3 centimeters.
I heard. I am very proud.
I will be taller than you one day, Dad.
Jack is in excellent health. That is wonderful to hear, Doctor. He just needs to eat more vegetables. Jack, vegetables are very important for your body.
I know, Dr. Miller. I eat vegetables sometimes.
More than sometimes is better. Both children are doing very well.
Thank you so much, Dr. Miller. Thank you for checking Peanut too.
Lily needs rest for 2 days at home.
No school for 2 days?
That is right. Rest is very important.
No school for 2 days, Jack.
You are lucky. I wish I was sick.
Being sick is not fun, Jack.
Lily, you need to eat soup and drink water.
I like soup very much.
Good. Soup will help you feel better fast.
Dr. Miller, can I watch television too?
Yes, but not too much. Rest your eyes too.
Okay, 2 hours of television. That is enough.
Jack, you need to eat vegetables every day.
Every single day?
Yes, your body needs them to stay strong.
Vegetables every day. That is a lot of vegetables.
I like carrots, Jack. Try carrots.
Carrots are okay. I can eat carrots.
Here is a list of healthy foods for children. This is very helpful. Thank you, doctor. Any questions? I am happy to help.
When should Lily come back to see you?
Come back in 1 week if she is not better.
And if she improves?
Then she does not need to come back. Thank you for everything today, doctor. It is my pleasure. She will be fine. We appreciate your help very much.
Goodbye, Dr. Miller. Thank you for helping us.
Goodbye, Lily, and you were very brave today. Now we go to the pharmacy for your medicine.
What is a pharmacy?
It is the place where we get medicine.
Hello, we have a prescription from Dr. Miller.
It is for our daughter, Lily. She is 6 years old. Okay, I see.
I'll get this filled right away.
Lily, medicine makes you feel better fast.
How fast?
A few days. Maybe less.
Does medicine taste bad?
Some medicine tastes like strawberry.
I like strawberry. That is good news.
Here is your medicine, sweetheart.
What color is it?
It is pink, and it tastes like strawberries.
Peanut says pink medicine is the best medicine.
I agree with Peanut completely.
He is very wise for a stuffed elephant.
Jack, you should take vitamins every day.
What do vitamins do?
They help your body stay strong and healthy.
These vitamins look like little bears.
Yes, they made them fun for children.
That is a very clever idea.
I will give her the first dose tonight.
And I will remind her in the morning.
Good. We make a good team.
Okay, medicine, vitamins, and information sheet.
We have everything we need.
Can we go home now? I am ready to rest.
Lily, how do you feel now?
A little better. The doctor was very nice.
I told you, the doctor is always nice. You were very brave today, Lily.
I was not scared at all.
You were a little scared. That is okay.
Daddy, will I feel better tomorrow?
With rest and medicine, yes.
Good. I miss school already.
Let us go home and make some soup.
The doctor said soup helps.
I want soup too. Can I have soup?
Jack, you are not sick, but I could be sick tomorrow.
Then you can have soup tomorrow, Jack.
Jack, you can share my soup today.
Really? Thank you, Lily.
That is what brothers are for.
Did you hear that?
I heard. She is something special.
They both are.
Mommy, I learned new words today.
What words did you learn?
Stethoscope, for pharmacy.
Those are very long words for a 6-year-old.
I am a very good learner, Mommy.
You are the best learner I know.
We are home, Rivers family.
Home, my favorite place in the world. Let us get you inside and comfortable.
Here is your soup, sweetheart.
Thank you, Mommy. It smells wonderful.
Eat slowly, there is no hurry.
Lily, this soup is very good.
I told you, sick soup is the best soup.
There is no sick soup, it is just soup.
The soup is warm. Warm food is good when you are sick. The doctor was right about the soup. Doctors are always right, Jack.
Lily, drink your water, please.
8 glasses a day. The doctor said so.
That is correct. Start with this one.
Time for your first medicine, Lily.
Is it the pink strawberry one?
Yes, the pink strawberry one.
Oh, it actually does taste like strawberry.
I told you, not all medicine is bad.
This is very good medicine, Daddy.
Lily, look at my vitamin. It is a little bear.
That is very cute for a vitamin.
The doctor was right. Vitamins are fun.
How are you feeling now, sweetheart? A little better. The medicine is working.
Good. Sleep is the best medicine, too.
She looks better already.
Rest and soup work every time.
And a good doctor.
Jack, thank you for coming to the doctor with me.
Of course, that is what brothers do.
You are the best brother in the world. Now let us review our English words from today.
We are ready, Lily. Word number 1.
Are you listening? Word 1, doctor. A doctor is a person who helps sick people. The doctor checks your body. Say it with me. Doctor.
Word 2, sick. Sick means your body does not feel well.
I was sick today.
Say it. Sick. Sick.
Word 3, fever. A fever means your body is too warm. The doctor checks your fever. Savor. Fever.
Word 4, medicine. Medicine helps your body get better.
My medicine is pink.
Say it.
Word 5, rest. Rest means to relax and is very important. Rest. Rest.
Word 6. Appointment. An appointment is a set time to see the doctor.
We had an appointment at 10 o'clock.
Say it.
Appointment!
Word 7, stethoscope. A stethoscope listens to your breathing.
The doctor put it on my chest.
Say it. Stethoscope. Stethoscope.
Word 8, prescription. A prescription is a paper from the doctor. It tells the pharmacy what medicine you need. Say it. Prescription. Prescription.
Word 9, pharmacy. A pharmacy is where you get your medicine.
Our pharmacy was inside the clinic. Say it. Pharmacy. Word 10, healthy. Healthy means your body is strong and well. We want to be healthy every. Say it with me. Healthy. Healthy. Are 10 words. Doctor, sick, fever, medicine, rest.
Appointment, stethoscope, prescription, pharmacy, healthy.
Perfect. You are excellent students. Now use these words in a sentence. For example, I went to the doctor today. Try to make your own sentence.
My sentence, I am healthy because I eat vegetables.
Excellent sentence, Jack.
Thank you. I am a good English student.
Thank you for learning English with our family today.
We hope these words are very useful for you.
Practice them every day and you will remember them.
Goodbye from Lily, Peanut, and the Rivers family.
See you in the next video.
Subscribe for more slow English stories and stay healthy, everyone.
Goodbye.